Hey everybody, Sleuth again. Sitting on my front porch, watching the storm. Worst part of it seems to have passed for now, but no telling what'll happen. My power just went out a couple times, so who knows what's going to happen. Let's see if we can get a couple good lightning shots going here. I'm just sitting here kind of enjoying the storm and feeling the temperature drop. Not too shabby out here. But on a serious note now, this isn't something that everybody should do. I want everybody to stay safe out here. If the wind picks up and the storm picks up, find yourself a safe place to be, as I will do the same. And I'm going to stay out here as long as I possibly can to get some really good footage here. But even as crazy as I am, I got respect for storms too. Ooh, good one. But I gotta say, I do enjoy a good light show. So just kick back, enjoy. Keep your radio or your TV on for any more upcoming warnings. Hey, my brain just kicked out of gear. Okay, it looks like the first wave has pretty much gone through. I don't know how much rain that was we just got, but it was a deluge. It looked like hurricane strength. But now it's just a steady rain coming down. Let's see here. See the limbs of the tree out front of my house. They're not moving a lot. I would say maybe a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. There we go. Who knows? It might get kind of long and boring for some, but I'm just going to let the camera run as long as I possibly can. Sorry about the camera shaking occasionally. I left my stabilizer out in the truck. And, well, that's where it's going to stay for tonight. And to all the fathers out there, I hope you guys had a great day today. It's one pleasure I don't experience, which is fine by me. I enjoy watching the kids do all the cool stuff for their dads. I hope you guys had a good, safe day and maybe got out. And I caught that car show in Lake Station today, which I missed. I overslept. But that's always a good event. And I will let everybody know when the next car show comes up. There should be one right around or just after the 4th in Hobart. I've been going to that for a few years. That's a pretty cool show. Lots of antique cars, lots of restorations, lots of street rods, which I personally enjoy. Another little splash. Yeah, it looks like the rain is pretty much slacked off for now. Okay, thunder's starting to get a little closer. Maybe we got something else coming in, but I do believe I'm going to shut this off for now, and this will be the end of part 2. And if anything else transpires, I'll make darn sure I put out part 3 or whatever we need. In the meantime, I hope all of you enjoy my videos. If so, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so when I do put something out, you'll know about it. And please, I mean this seriously, I welcome everybody's comments. I don't care if it's positive or negative as long as it's constructive. I will not put up with any smart alecks or people just trying to stir the pot, if you know what I mean. I will ignore and delete those. But I am, like I said, I am more than happy to hear all comments. Because the more I hear from you, the more I can improve my channel and make it better for you, because I do this for you. Everybody have a great night. Enjoy your day ahead with the cooler temps. And I'll be out here soon. Sleuth out for now.